Hi everyone, this is Vera. Today's video is about the pronunciation of finals. You might already know what is initial, what is final, but let's take a review of our very first lesson one more time. Please look at these examples. 你好. There are two Chinese characters there. Above them you can see the letters. Well, and H. Those two are consonants. In Mandarin, we call it initials. I and ow, those are vowels in English, which we call them initial in Mandarin. Well, today's class is about those kind of vowels in Mandarin. How do we pronounce it? There are 39 finals in Mandarin. We can divide it into 3 different groups. So let's check it one by one. Group 1, simple finals. A, O, E, I, U, Ü, As you can see, they are single vowel letters. So those, we call it simple vowels. 6 plus 1. A, O, I, U, Ü plus Okay, now I will use English vocabulary to help you practice the pronunciation. The first one, father, bath. Second one, law, awful. Next one, again, another, see, tea, mood, food. There is no such a sound in English, but we can use the pronunciation of make your lips round. So when you pronounce your 2 lips, it's very natural to put it there. But when you pronounce you make your 2 lips as a round shape. So start from just like that. Okay, and the last one. This one is a special one. We call it lonely simple vowel because this one doesn't need to combine any consonant to make a word. So, is like letter, earth, teacher. This is Okay, now one more time. A, O, I, U, Ü, Now let's try to combine the initials to practice our pinyin. A, mo, a, ma, bo, a, ba, z, a, za. Next one. Mo, o, mo, bo, o, bo, po, o, po. Next one. Mo, mo, de, s, s. Next one. Mo, mi, t, g. Next one. Mo, mu, nu, hu. And then the last one. Nu, lu, qi, chu, xi, xu. Okay, that was the practice of pinyin. Now, review it one more time. A, O, E, I, U, Ü, with A, W, I, U, Ü, Okay, your turn. A, W, I, U, Ü. One more time. A, W, I, U, Ü. Okay, so this is group 1, simple finals.